Hi there. So in this video I'll try to solve another maths from this section, which is 49 number to 60 number. I'm not sure which one should I do. My target is 59 number or 51 number. Which one should I do first? Okay, let me do 51 number first. Because 51 number looks a bit interesting. Or in some other video maybe I will do 59 number also. So 59 number math is fx equals to 4x squared plus 1 then x minus 2 whole square. Oh, this is whole cube. This x minus 2 whole cube. So first of all, a number question according to this setup, a number question is list the each real zero and its multiplicity. So first a number real zero we have to find out, and real zero comes from here and here, we know that because these are the factors of the function. So real zero will come from there. So x squared plus 1 equals to 0, then x squared equals to minus 1, then x equals to square root of, you can give plus minus also here, then minus 1, but this is undefined. That means no real zero here, because there is no value for which now here it becomes 0. So that's why it is no real zero in this section. Then we can try for this part. This part is x minus 2 whole cube equals to 0. So when this whole cube goes to other side as a cube root, that will also become 0. So we can just simply write 0. This 3, if I send it to this side, then it becomes cube root of 0 means 0. That's why. So then this equals to 2. That means one real zero we found, and this is x equals to 2. For this part, we do not have to mention the multiplicity because there is no real zero here. So only we will show the multiplicity for this case. Multiplicity of this function is 3. Of this factor is 3. So this is the 3 multiplicity here. This is a number answer. Then the B number will be determined whether the graph crosses or touches at each touches the x-axis at each x-intercept. That's the question. So let's try it. So in this part there is no real zero, so there is only one real zero, which is x equals to 2. So we will write at x equals to 2 the graph. And now you see the power is 3. 3 is an odd number. For any odd number, graph will cross. The graph crosses. So the graph will cross it. C number. And for the other value, we do not have to write anything because that is undefined. That's why. C number question is determine the behavior. So we will put this in the question. So at x equals to 2, what happens? Let's check. At x equals to 2, let's put it in the function. If x equals to okay, we want to investigate the function. We can actually, this is tough to write 2 here. Anyway, so 4, then 2 squared plus 1, then x minus 2 whole cubed. We will not put 2 here because we obtained 2 from this value. Then 4, then 2 squared equals to 4, 4 plus 1 equals to 5, 5 into 4 equals to 20. So 20 x minus 2 cube. So that will be the behavior at x equals to 2. And this is actually some, if you are interested, this is actually some cubic function, positive slope cubic function. Cubic function is like this. So this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, and this will be the behavior at that point at x equals to 2. And then the next question is D number. Determine the maximum number of turning points on the graph. So D number. We know that the turning point depends on the degree. So the degree of this question is, you see there is a 2 here and there is x cube here. So total degree is 5. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. So if that total degree is 5, then the number of turning points will be 4. Then E number. Now we have to find out determine the end behavior. And behavior is as simply the leading simply the power function of the of the given function. So we have x square and then x cube, total is x to the power 5, and then there is a constant here. So with that 4 we have to write x to the power 5. That is the power function, that is the end behavior of the graph. And what does this end behavior means is the end part of the graph will be some cubics, like end part will be like something like this and something like this between x and y axis, some kind of that. That is the end behavior of this function. And that's the end of this question, and we will not extend it for the other questions because other extension is just to show you how it behaves at in different situation. So that's 51 number. That's it. Thank you very much for watching, and if you want, I think again this part is like this. So that is the part here, and then yeah, that's it. I think the rest of the thing was visible for you all. So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much. We'll do another maths in the next video.